This is a number most people cannot truly imagine. When the sixth trumpet sound, 4 angels were bound at the great river Euphrates are released. They sent forth an army of 200 million mounted warriors. 200 million. And they kill a third of mankind. A third. That means billions by our current population. Fire, smoke, sulfur issue out from the mouths of their horses. This is not a poetic image. This is a solemn prophetic warning. The end will not arrive quietly. If you want to know how to stand ready before the sixth trumpet sounds, subscribe now.